Hey guys, Sandra Noemi here. Hope you guys are having an awesome and blessed day. For today, I wanted to share a very powerful quote with you. This is very meaningful to me, and when I first read it, it really hit me hard. And I know that it will serve someone watching this today, so I'd love to share it with you. Nature loves courage. You make the commitment, and nature will respond to that commitment by removing impossible obstacles. Dream the impossible dream, and the world will not grind you under. It will lift you up. This is the trick. This is what all these great teachers and philosophers who really counted, who really touched their alchemical gold, this is what they all understood. This is the shamanic dance in the waterfall. This is how magic is done. By hurling yourself into the abyss and discovering it's a featherbed. That quote was by Terrence McKenna. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'd love to hear your thoughts below. Hope you guys all have a wonderful evening. Be courageous, pursue wonderful and crazy things, and go for it. The universe has got your back. Take care, guys, and be blessed.